Doctors and healthcare workers are known for healing and saving lives on a daily basis. But their role doesn't just end there. For couples dealing with infertility or have otherwise lost hope of conceiving, the role of doctors and embryologists extends to that of life givers, making it possible for the couple to have their own child with the help of IVF. 25th July marks a very special date in the history. It is today, back in 1978, world's first IVF baby, Louise Brown, was born through successful efforts of Robert Edwards, Patrick Steptoe, and Jean Trudy. Since then, more than 8 million healthy IVF babies have been born, bringing hope to countless couples dealing with the sensitive issue of infertility. 25th July 1978 marked the new era in the reproductive science and has been celebrated as the World's Embryologist Day, while 24th July is celebrated as the World IVF Day. So who are embryologists? It has been rightly said, they are the child's first babysitters. Working inside IVF labs, they play an important role in ensuring the growth and development of embryos, leading to successful birth of healthy babies. This dedication towards helping millions of couples achieve pregnancy and have their own child has led to various advancements in the field of ART, which continue to expand the scope of the treatment of infertility.
Infertility over the past decade emerged to be one of the most common medical issues that couples have been facing. Having a child is considered one of the major milestones in completing a family, which invite a lot of pressure and social stigma on the couple dealing with this problem. It not only affects the childbearing capabilities of a couple, but their mental and the social or emotional health. Lack of knowledge and the taboo surrounding the subject has led to many myths, one of which is the assumptions that fertility only affects female. The truth being infertility affects male and the female equally. Over the last 4 decades, with the growing knowledge of this medical condition and advancement in fertility management, more and more couples have been blessed with a child of their own. The work of reproductive biologists and the embryologists have provided a great boost to the hopes of future parents unable to conceive naturally. This movement, which began in 1978 with the birth of Louisa Brown, toward curing the infertility has slowly but surely diluted the stigma and the taboo. We only hope that more and more couples in the need of IVF are benefited.
Happy Embryologist Day to our happy embryologists. IVF तकनीक ने इनफर्टाइल कपल्स की जिंदगी में जो चेंज किया है शायद ही कोई तकनीक कर पाए। इसने इन सभी कपल्स को आत्मविश्वास और आत्मसम्मान से भरपूर किया है। आईवीएफ से पहले इनफर्टाइल कपल्स को हमारी काउंसलिंग होती थी, भगवान की मर्जी है, भगवान की मर्जी होगी तो बेबी हो जाएगा। अभी हम क्या कहते हैं, भगवान का नाम लो और आईवीएफ ट्राई करो, तुम कंसीव कर जाओगे। एंड यस, इट अकर्स व्हेन दे कम विद प्रेगनेंसी, स्माइल एंड द कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन देयर फेस इज रिमार्केबल, and these babies are as normal as naturally conceived babies। और अब देखो दुनिया में 80 लाख से ज्यादा बच्चे आईवीएफ तकनीक से पैदा हुए हैं और उनमें और किसी में कोई फर्क नहीं है। क्योंकि आईवीएफ प्रेगनेंसीज प्रेशियस प्रेगनेंसीज होती हैं, इनमें थोड़ी सी ज्यादा मॉनिटरिंग की जरूरत होती है। सो अगेन ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू आवर embryologists who are our first babysitters.
The embryologist provides knowledge and skills required to carry out the laboratory processes in IVF that begins after assessment of gametes, their fertilization, and ends up with selecting the best quality embryo available for transfer back into the mother uterus. We all hope of good quality embryos available for transfer, which can culminate into a healthy pregnancy. If surplus embryos remain available post transfer, the option of cryopreservation is boon in ART, where couples can choose to freeze their embryos, gametes for future use.
Couples undergoing infertility treatment have high expectation of success and which leads to add-on stress and frustration in case treatment doesn't give the desired results. With the latest innovation in ART, successes have improved dramatically in the last decade. Every procedure or treatment modality has its own success rate, so it depends on the indication of infertility.
Embryologists who play a very important role in the treatment of the infertile couples. I feel they are like the custodians or the protectors of your very precious eggs, sperms and embryos, or in other words, your future. So I think in this work, apart from their hard work and skills, they are investing a lot of emotional energy too. And this whole process, which is a teamwork, they make an excellent team players for it. So a happy Embryologist Day.
Today, we take a look back to appreciate all that has been achieved in the field of reproductive medicine since the birth of Louisa Brown, and to celebrate the relentless efforts put in every day by the embryologists, clinicians, reproductive scientists, and the supporting staff to fulfill the goal of achieving parenthood in an infertile couple.